Hi guys, Steve Towers here, your coach and trainer. Just wanted to spend a few seconds with you, talk to you about what the Certified Process Professional Masters is all about. It's a 5-level program split over 4 days, and what we'll do over those 4 days is actually 18 exercises. You'll get some templates to do that. Ideally, it's going to be based around the work that you're currently doing or have done previously before. We'll review 22 case studies of organizations who are doing this stuff, who are active in it as well, and there'll be handouts to back them up as well. And including in those handouts, a couple of books. One is the story of the transformation of an East European company who won the Best Business Transformation Award of 2020. The book itself became an Amazon bestseller. I'll also be providing this book, Outside In, the 2021 edition of the book, which was originally published in 2010. So it's completely updated and covers all the themes that we're going to cover off in the program. Besides those handouts, I will then subsequently be doing, once we finish the sessions, sometime in a month or two, a 60-minute one-on-one directly with yourself to review your progress, how's it going, how you're using the templates and the method, and so on. There'll also be some bonus exclusives. We've got the top tips from some of the world's leading transformation players. So we've got dedicated access to that. So I'm going to give you that as well. And plus, alongside that, there's a deck, which I call Making the Change deck. It's that challenge that we always have in organizations. So I do hope you join us for the 4-day, 5 sessions. Okay, it's going to be a fantastic experience. The Certified Process Professional Master. I'll see you on the inside soon. So click a link here somewhere nearby and get on board. Fantastic, guys. See you. Bye-bye.